Hello children, I hope all of you are safe at your home. I am Ramshina. Today we are going to learn place value system. Then in this chapter we learn two place value system. In this chapter we learn two place value system. First one Indian place value chart and second one international place value chart. First one Indian place value chart and second one international place value chart. Then this is the Indian place value chart. This is the Indian place value chart. Look at these places. Look at these places. First one periods. First one periods. First period ones period. Second period thousands period and lakhs period. Lakhs period. So next places. Next places. First one ones, then tens, then hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. And in ones periods, ones, tens and hundreds, then thousands periods, 10,000 and 10,000, then lakhs period, lakh and 10 lakh. Then look at these numbers. First one 1. 1 is only one digit ones. Then second number 10. 10 is a two digit number. So 1 0 tens. Two digit number. Then the next one 3 digit number 100. Then 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. This is the Indian place value chart. Okay. This is the place value chart of 7 digit number, and these 7 places have been grouped into 3 periods. First period ones period and thousands period and lakhs period. Okay. Then next one, while writing a number we separate periods using commas. We separate periods using commas. Look at this place value chart. First number 23,47,567. 23,47,561. Okay, this is the number. Then how to separate this number using commas? How to separate these numbers using commas? We put commas between ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. We put commas between ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. Ones, tens, hundred. This is the ones periods. Then using comma. Then 1000 and 10,000. This is thousands period. Put comma. Then lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. All of you understood? Then second number 73489. 73489. Then we use periods in ones, tens, hundreds. This is the first period and 1000 and 10,000 is the second period. Okay. Then the last number. Look at the last number 49761. Then we use places ones, tens, 100. This is the first period. Then 1000 and 10,000. This is the second period. Okay. All of you understood? Okay, very good. Then the second one, international place value system. Look at the place value chart. First one periods. First one periods. The first ones period, thousands period and millions period. Look at carefully. Millions period. Then second one places. Second one places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. The 10,000 and next 100,000 and the last one million. Last one million. Okay. Then look at these numbers. First one ones in ones place, tens in tens place, 100 in hundreds place, 1000 in thousands place, etc. Okay. All of you understood? This is the place value chart of 7 digits number these places have been grouped into 3 periods. First period, ones period, second period, thousands period, and last period, millions period. Okay, all of you understood? Then the next one, how to use commas in international system. How to separate the numbers in international system. We use commas in periods. We use commas in periods. So first period, ones period, thousands periods, and million. Ones period, thousand period, million. So look at this number. First one, ones, tens, hundred. This is the first period. Ones, tens, hundred. This is the first period. Okay. Then second period, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So this is the second period. Okay. Then how to read this number? How to read this number? How to read? Read this as 128,923. Okay. We write this as 128,000 923. 923. Okay. How to read this number? 128,923. Then the second number. We use commas in ones, tens, hundred. This is the first period. Then second period, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. This is the second period. Is it? Then this is million. Last period is million. Okay. Then how to read this number? How to read this number? We read this as 8,349,867. It's simple. Is it? Then let's see some examples. First one, 2,834,563. Then how to write this number? This is an international system. Is it? This is the international place value system. Okay. Then how to write this number in words? 2 million, 2,834,000 834 34,563. 500 and okay. All of you understood? Okay. Very good. Next we learn face value and place value. Then what is place value and what is face value? What is face value and what is place value? First one, face value system. First one, face value system. What is face value? What is face value? Face value means the face value of a digit in a numeral will remain the same at whatever place it stands. There will be no change. Okay. For example, the number the number 2, 8, 4, 7, 6. Then Indian system 1 stands 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. Then write these numbers in face value. So use this number. First one, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. We already learned face value system in 3rd standard. So look at this first one. The first one, ones place. Which number stands in ones place? The number 6 stands in ones place. So the number have no change. No change. So the face value of the 6 is 6. The face value of the number 6 is 6. Then the face value of the number 7 is only 7. And the face value of number 4 is only 4. Then next, the face value of 8 is only 8. Then the last one, face value of 2 is only 2. This is the face value system. Okay, all of you understood? Okay, then the next one, place value system. Next one, place value system. Place value means the place value of a digit in a numeral depends upon its position in the place value chart. Then look at this number and write these place values. Then this is 38,454. Then write the place value of this number. Then first number 4. 4 stands in ones place. 4 stands in ones place. So the value of 4 is only 4. Okay. Then next 5. 5 stands in tens place. 5 stands in tens place. Then the value of 5 is 50. The value of 5 is 50. Then next one, 4 stands in hundreds place. 4 stands in hundreds place. The value of 4 is 400. Okay. Then next 8. 8 stands in thousands place. 8 stands in thousands place. So the value of 8 is 8,000. The value of 8 is 8,000. Then the last number 3. 3 stands in 10,000 and the value of 3 is 30,000. Then the value of 3 is 30,000. This is the place value and face value chart. Then I will give you some homework for tomorrow. Write it